Over the last 30 years, millions of HoldRite products have been utilized in a wide variety of residential, commercial, institutional, and numerous other applications. As industry leaders in secondary pipe supports, HoldRite literally wrote the book on converting makeshift methods into engineered solutions.
Well, the field-devised methods are certainly more costly than an engineered solution for several reasons. One, there's no standardization or uniformity in the method in which they are chosen or applied. They're constructed primarily of readily available materials which may or may not work for the purpose intended. For example, a riser clamp is one of the most commonly used devices to create a restraint system for hubless pipe and fittings. Well, the riser clamp wasn't intended as a thrust restraint. It was originally intended to support pipe every 10 feet or at every floor. Well, that means it's only going to have so much capacity to hold the weight of the pipe from slipping through the floor to the floor below. So how much grip strength is on that pipe from that clamp? Well, it hasn't been measured, hasn't been tested, and there certainly aren't any specifications for the field-devised method. Another problem is the amount of labor it consumes to measure, cut, and fabricate these field-devised systems and then install them. It could be anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour per fitting to install a system like that. The cost can be astronomical when you look at it from that perspective. And how many times are they doing this in the field? How much labor are you putting into this effort? And then in the end, what are you left with? What kind of a system do you have that you can rely on that won't fall apart during a significant rain event? Now you contrast that with the engineered solution. We have a system that's designed for a specific performance level. We have specific instructions. We have specified materials. Everything comes out manufactured from the factory, ready to install on whatever fitting configuration that's been ordered. So you're taking that half hour to an hour installation time and you're cutting it down. In addition to that, you have a system that you know works up to a certain level.